Put out a pasta model at every table, and there should be teaspoons in every pasta model. If there are not enough teaspoons for the number of people at your table, I have extra, so please let me know. We have plenty. You may want to reconfigure your chair situation so that you can all access a pasta model. I know that 5 at a table may be a little bit difficult for reaching. Before we get started, there should be 2 different little recording sheets in the front of your manual. Now you will only need one of these sheets to get going, and it will depend on which pasta model you have. One of the tables, and I think it's the last large table back there on the right, yeah, you have one that has 50,000 parts per million in terms of concentration. And that takes a special sheet. So you should look at the top, sort of the top left, and see if it says pasta model 50,000 parts per million. That's the sheet you will use. Everyone else should use a sheet that has in the upper left-hand corner sampling support, everything from 1/8 of a teaspoon down to 1 tablespoon. Okay? Now, one thing to notice is that those of you using the 1/8 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon, you may not have every one of those sampling devices. Because with tables with 3, what I did was split up the groups of teaspoons. There's six there, and so in order to have enough, we distributed them around. Each of you can choose your weapon. If you really don't like the teaspoon or whatever size you've chosen or are left with, let me know. I'll see if I can accommodate you. But the idea is that what we're going to do is sample the pasta model and put the results in the little bowl. And I'll take the very small teaspoon. Actually, I'll take the large tablespoon. And the idea is similar to the bead model. You want to just mix it around a little bit and then scoop. And this time I'm not even concerned that much if you look. And you take your scoop, put it in here, and then you count how many either green or red hits you collected during that sampling event. Okay? Now you may not collect any during that sampling event. And in fact, that's what happened in my case. I got 0. So on the form, you should record 0. Okay, so that's the gist of it.
Do we pour them back in?
I'm sorry?
Do we pour them back in?
Yes, you will pour them back in.